How to use the Google My Business campaign step. First, you'll need to ensure that you have Google My Business Messenger integrated. Check out our other tutorials for how to do this. Now what you need to do is navigate to Campaigns and create a new campaign. Go ahead and name it something like Google My Business Campaign. You can choose a folder if you'd like for organization and click Save to confirm your changes. Now let's build the campaign. We're going to add an event and choose GMB Message. Type out a message with something like "Hey there" or "Hello there." You'll see a preview on the right-hand side of the screen. Click Save to confirm this event. Switch the campaign from draft to active or published mode in the top right corner, and this will allow the campaign to actually run. Now the next step is to set up a trigger. We'll navigate to Triggers and create a new trigger. Select a name and a folder if you'd like for organization, and click Save to enter into the trigger so we can make our customizations. Under Part 1, what should trigger this rule, we're going to select Customer Replied. Then we need to add a filter. We're going to select Reply Channel, and for the particular reply channel, this will be GMB Messaging. Now, for Part 2, we're going to add an action. Select Add to Campaign, and then choose the particular campaign that you just created in the previous step, such as Google My Business Campaign or whatever you may have titled it. Make sure to switch this trigger from draft to active or published mode and save to confirm the changes so that this trigger will function. Now, when someone utilizes Google My Business Messenger and they send a message, the trigger will fire off the campaign to automatically respond with the "Hey there" or "Hello there" message or whatever you may have set. You can customize this as you wish, and now you're all set. Thanks!